Nothing said in this video is financial advice. Hello everybody and welcome to the Investment Hunter channel. Today we're going to be looking at ICPT, which is Intercept Pharmaceuticals. Currently got on the screen here on the eToro Pro platforms chart, and there's an affiliate link in the description. If you'd like to use the link, please, by all means, it's there for your convenience, or you can type in eToro into the browser and find it that way. If we look at the current price of Intercept Pharmaceuticals, we're down here at the $17.15 mark. Not a lot of actual chart information in relative terms when it goes back as far as mid-2017 on the eToro platform. So I've been doing some browsing around and looking to see if I can find further information, which I have actually over on TradingView. I'll switch over there now, and this takes us right the way back to 2014, 2013, where we can see the all-time high price was actually right the way up here at just under $500 a share, and we're currently sitting at, once again, at $17.15 a share. So this is big time bargain territory for me. If we go right the way back here over the 2013, we can see that this is where the low was on the information that's available to us. So this would make me fairly confident that we are hitting our bottom kind of price range as to where it would possibly be a good time to start buying in. We had this gap in 2014 where we jumped from $70 and came up to here at 228, and all we've done all throughout this time is try to reclose that gap right the way down, and we eventually closed it actually back here in 2017, 2018. Guessing there's some confidence off of that, and actually came back up where we actually found more resistance, unfortunately, and it came right the way back down again after 2019. So here we are today, $17.15. What we'll do now is we'll do the usual, which is check on the measurement to see what kind of potential profits we can gain from the current price back to the all-time high price. We'll do some Fibonacci retracement levels, and we'll look at see if we can find some areas of resistance, which sort of prices we can find that may actually hold some support in the long term as well. And I'll also probably go through some of my price targets, where I'll look to take some profits as we try and recover right the way back over the next probably 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years altogether. When we look at how long it took to actually take the fall, it possibly could take that same length of time to go back up. But this is long-term investing, that's what I'm into. So I'll go through that with you now. So let's take a look at these percentage measures of Intercept Pharmaceuticals here. I've actually already put the lines in place of where my measurements are going to take me to for my price targets as well, just to make it a little bit easier to see. So if we go from the current price from approximately the $15 mark up to $184 per share, we're looking at just over 1,000%. And if we go up to the $350 range, you may have guessed already, we're looking at just over 2,000%. And if we go back to the original all-time high price, which is $497 a share, we're looking at a price of, say, 3,000%. There'll be my three price targets over the long term, 2, 3, 4 years, whatever it might take. May not get there at all, but this is what we're aiming for over the long term. What other thing we're going to do is take a look at the current time frame, and we'll zoom in and we'll just see what it looks like down here with a bit more detail to see if we're kind of ready for a bit of a turnaround. Personally, I think the price will probably fall a bit lower. I don't think we've still got that rounded bottom coming in to suggest that we're going to start clearing some way here. We can also take a look, if we put a horizontal line on, where our levels of resistance are going to be, which I think will probably be in here, just in there. We can see we had a top. This is on the daily chart, by the way, not a weekly time frame. We can see we had like a double top here before the price fell down. It was also an area of support here originally, which has been flipped now into resistance. So once we get back up through here, hopefully we'll retap that price mark there at $24 and return that back into a level of support before it breaks up again. Could test it 2 or 3 times, as we know in these charts. Sometimes that normally does happen, but that is the sort of first price area where I would expect to see that we've got some kind of confirmation that the price is going to head in the right direction before going back up to the upside. Using the same time frame here on Intercept Pharmaceuticals, I've put the Fibonacci tool on the screen and I've pulled it down from this previous price of $55.71, and I've tried to line up here with that level of resistance that I mentioned there before. Should I be right in that my current thinking that there is still a bit of a price to drop here from the current price of today? However, erring on the side of caution, should I be wrong, I would like to think there was a bit of margin there for further buying opportunities. So if I move that level of resistance actually down into here, where we can see these previous two bottom levels of support that were there, the price broke down and fell through, and I'll actually adjust the Fibonacci tool to line up with that again, which would possibly give us a potential bottom there now of $8.33 approximately. All the way throughout this range, it'll be my first set of buy-in prices, and from there we'll see where the price goes and how the chart forms. If it looks like there's going to be further opportunity to buy lower, I'll definitely be buying lower. However, I'll not be buying anything yet until I see how this is going to start to form over the next few months. Probably won't make a purchase until August unless I see some kind of retracement for the price to actually start and turn around and go back up. If it bounces off this price here at $15.15, possibly may come up, retest this level here at 19.57 cents, and then back up and up and up. So we'll see what happens over this next month, 3-4 weeks, and see what happens to the price, and then we'll make some purchases, no doubt. That's everything on Intercept Pharmaceuticals. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, please hit subscribe. Please leave any comments in the comment section below. I would like to appreciate some comments from everybody. Other than that, that's it from me. Good investment hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.